guys, we are quickly taking the artboard and now we'll start on this. There are many ways to put the gold gradient. Like we can simply put the gradient, creating the outline that I can discuss in the next video. But for now, we are using the clipping mask thing. So we will write the text because we are going to do that on the text. So I've written this, and now I'm just very choosy about fonts. I think all of us are. So I'll just choose the right font. I like something like I have this font. If you look at this is already in golden color, but I can't change its color. This is Trajan color, but of course we are not using this because we are going to use the desired gold pattern on this. So I think something subtle would go. So I'll quickly grab a simple font, elegant one. Okay, I like this. So now we'll apply quickly a gold gradient on it, like gold pattern. So for that I will just add one image to this layer which I've already downloaded, that is of already a gold pattern. Like I searched for free images of gold texture and then I found it. So I will put this over this golden text. I will disfigure it, like for getting the better texture on the edges because it has darkness on the edges. So I'll try to fit it in that area of the text. Now what you have to do is you have to put the text layer, like that one, over the image, not below, above it. So we can see the text as well as the image. Now what you have to do is you just have to select these two together. I'm just fitting it in, and then you have to go to make clipping mask. That's it. So this is how it looks. You can choose the desired picture, whatever you have to put in the text. I'll show it once again. So I just do this. I just chose these both and I made a clipping mask. Right now I did redo because I already created it. So that's it guys, it is really simple. And also you can do desired pattern, anything, like any image, any photo of yours, any pattern, any gradient, anything inside this. I will just quickly download a one pattern file. Please note that please use free files, like you have to take the license of the files, some files. So I won't recommend that. So if you are just using for personal use, that's fine. So I'm just showing you any of the pattern I like this one a lot. I'll also mention the link below so that it is used ethically. Guys, if you want to adjust the pattern inside it, it's really simple. You just go to the clip group, the group is created, and then you go to the image and you can simply pull that up, down, like see, I'm keeping it up, and then you can also stretch it. Like I just reduced the height and now it looks like this. So this is how you can just play around with the filled image, the masked one. And also you can change the text, like you go in the crop and you edit the text. So that's it guys, thank you for watching this, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more such creative videos. Well, you can also follow me on social handles just mentioned in this video below. So thanks, see you next time, bye bye.